Hi, I'm Manadya Shetty. I'm from PPSIJC and we're on our way to Chinchmal for Anant Vikas.
My name is Pratna Khemka. I'm from PPSI JC.
My name is Khush Pomani. I'm from PPSI JC's A2 level science. So today we got this opportunity to visit this place in Chinchwan. It's a small village and I'm part of the team of the Transact Walk. In which we have to explore the village. We're going to explore this village. We're going to try and make a map of it by just walking around the village and knowing all the amenities and facilities that are available there, such as the hospitals or the wells and the ponds.
I'm Khushi Awasthi from PPSI JC. I'm taking part in an activity known as Baseline Survey. This activity includes interacting with the villagers, in which we will know their problems and we'll try to help them out.
It's about a lot of things actually. It's every aspect and it's about how people who are less developed than us, we actually bring them up and educate them about the different things around them and the world around them.
It's a very good feeling when finally we students realize how important it is to look after our environment, and then we make an effort towards making it better. So it's a very good feeling.
We realize the importance of tree plantation and everything, and the importance of the nature and all, and it was a really good experience, and the exposure and all was like once in lifetime and all.
It was a lot of physical work, I must say, much more than I anticipated. And the effort that goes into planting just one tree, it is so astonishing. I just realize how important it is for everyone, for each one of us to plant at least one tree in our life.
We did Transact Walk and resource farming all together in one. And so this is just a gist of how the village looks like. So there's a temple. Okay, the village has one temple, which is quite close to this general store, which is like a market where they go to buy their fruits and vegetables. And these are the roads that connect almost everything to everything. August and September. Other than that, they don't do anything.
Other than this, they have to travel all the way to Mathiran to do normal labor jobs.
Basically, the idea behind each one was that these kids, because their English isn't that good, so we came here to try and teach them a little English, and we each bought letters. So we were each given 2 letters, and I had S and T. So S for school and T for team. So we thought that we would teach them a few letters and enhance their English.
It was a very surreal experience because we had a lot of preparation done for it because we were really excited to teach them. But when we went, what we realized was that even though they were 4th graders, their education wasn't up to what we expected. So it sort of felt really bad and touching at the same time, but it also motivated us a lot to teach them because we really wanted to bring them forth. So we planned a lot of activities for that, and we engaged them in different ways. We gave them rewards like stickers and chocolates so that they would study better. And as for the village and the weather, I honestly didn't think it's gonna be this beautiful. It's actually being in a hill station. So that's that. And each one also taught me how to be cordial to children who don't really understand your language. It sort of taught me to break the barriers for them.
हम एक्ट्रेस में उस सॉस में दे दो ना
यार गांव में आजकल बहुत गंदगी अरे ये क्या लग गया यार
आप लोगों को स्ट्रीट प्ले कैसा लगा जो हम लोगों ने अभी यहाँ पे करा नाटक?
अच्छा झाले
उसमें सबसे अच्छे क्या लगा एक बार बता दीजिए
अच्छा लगा
When I'd come here, I thought of a very insightful experience, and it turned out to be so.
We've learned so much and we've just understood so much about the village and how much we shouldn't neglect what we have and at the same time give back to the community. So it was definitely a very good and an eye-opening experience.